Amitabh Bachchan, I think his best work is happening after he was 60.
Sammohanam.
Well, I would go with Ayushmann Khurrana. What is the definition of a star? He said, a star is one even after the shot is over, even if he extends for 5 minutes, you don't mind.
Who's that one director on your wish list for a Bollywood film?
Anurag Kashyap.
Have you ever been proposed by a co-star?
No.
Rapid fire with Mohan sir.
Yes, please.
All right. Sir, a film of yours that you had huge expectations from, but it didn't do well at the box office.
Golconda High School.
A film of yours which did much more business than your expectations.
Ashta, my third film. Nani's debut.
Of course. I spoke to him about it yesterday. This is your third film with him.
Yeah.
Okay, one Bollywood actor you definitely want to work with.
Any day, Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Oh, okay. Okay. One thing that you like and don't like about Bollywood.
I like the incredible talent that is there. I think almost virtually every actor who comes to all top actors, stars are brilliant actors. What I don't like is that nothing much is done with them. I mean, I wish with all these talents, you could literally beat any other industry in the world if you can really use their talent with proper writing and proper kind of projects. But we simply, I think, right, this is a problem right from the beginning. I mean, right, since Amitabh Bachchan, I think his best work is happening after he was 60, probably. I think because where he actually performed brilliantly, like earlier melodramas also, like films like Saudagar, for example, which I thought was absolutely brilliant, or even his mainstream films like Trishul and Diwar. They were not cinematographically great, or in terms of film language. I think they simply ran on star power. But I always felt that they deserve much more. Even the actors we have now, they deserve much more. With those kind of powerhouse talents, we need much better writing, much better directing, and much better exploitation of their talent, which is not happening. I think in Hindi. This is not rapid fire. This is too.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's rapid fire with perspective. But I find it fascinating that you spoke about one of Mr. Bachchan's films, Saudagar, that many people may not have watched.
Yeah.
One of his earlier films. It's a brilliant film. So that is wonderful. So it is also said that maybe the emphasis on writing is slightly missing in Bollywood, because we are seeing some excellent writing in South cinema. And by writing, I don't merely mean dialogue. I'm saying the screenplay.
Exactly. Yeah. No, one of the misconceptions people have about writing is they think writing is dialogue. But I think what is missing even in Hindi, except small group of people who are really brilliant. I really admire the writing of Jaideep Sahni. I love Anurag Kashyap's writing. I don't know who writes for Dibakar Banerjee. He's one of my favorite filmmakers. And except this small group of filmmakers, the broad writing, that you find in mainstream is quite low compared to other industries that I see. And that's what surprises me, because when I meet people individually, occasionally, whenever I met them, they come across as brilliant writers, and actors and actresses, whoever I meet. But collectively, I don't know, somebody joked, I think, about Bollywood, I think, saying that it's a place where brilliant talents come together to make mediocre films, So something is missing. There's a link that is missing. So I think there should be an enormous emphasis on developing writing talent. I think because everything should be on page before it translates. And I think actors enjoy it when they find that kind of meat on paper, which I think is missing. That's what I meant earlier when I said the kind of talent that we have in India, especially in Hindi. I don't like the word Bollywood for some reason, but in Hindi cinema, I think they deserve much more than what filmmakers are offering them. And I think it's high time we tighten our belts and produce something that really justifies the talent. Otherwise it's unfair. It's grossly unfair to them.
That's, I think, very well said. All right. Sir, if you were to choose any of your films apart from V as your most satisfying work till now,
I would say Antakamundu Atarvata, which means before and after, which is one of it's a semi-autobiographical film about, it's a romantic drama about some of the things that I went through. So, and that's my personal favorite. Yeah. I couldn't do it the way I wanted to do it for many budget reasons, but I think writing wise, the story and all that would be, it's not a big hit. It's just, it did reasonably well, but it's a very personal film for me.
What is that one thing following directors have you wish you had?
Okay.
S.S. Rajamouli.
Ambition. I have ambition, but I want to have his ambition, his kind of ambition.
Shankar.
And to achieve it. Shankar, technical flair, passion for technology.
All right.
I'm not learning from him.
Rajkumar Hirani.
I think I have everything he has. but more like his kind of sense of humor. I love his humor. And I wish sometimes I could make like him, blend in emotion with humor like that. Yeah.
If these films of yours were to be remade in Hindi, who would replace the lead stars in it?
Okay.
Gentleman.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
Sammohanam.
Well, I would go with Ayushmann Khurrana.
Lovely.
Ayushmann Khurrana.
Yeah.
If you could pick one most favorite movie of following actors, what would it be? Okay. Kamal Haasan sir, your favorite film.
Oh my God, Nayagan, I would say.
All right, Prabhas.
I would say Bahubali because I've not seen many of his other earlier films. I would say Bahubali, especially Bahubali 2.
Allu Arjun.
Vedam. He was brilliant in that film. Nani. That's unfair to ask me. I would say Ashtachama. I would say Gentleman. I also would say Jersey, where he was really, really good. Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh my God. He's like Saudagar, I would say. And all Trishul, Diwar. He's absolutely probably the most magnetic actor I've ever seen on world screen, not only just in Indian cinema. If Amit sir is on screen, I would only watch him. I really pity his co-stars when he's on screen.
Just came out of COVID and now he's shooting for KBC.
Oh, is he? Oh, okay.
He's already started shooting for KBC.
He has? Oh my God.
Yeah, he has.
Yeah. He's to me like Satyajit Ray, I think once said, what is the definition of a star? He said, a star is one even after the shot is over, even if he extends for 5 minutes, you don't mind, He's a star. Like you don't want to take your eyes away from him. I think that's Amitabh Bachchan for me is the true film star. Someone is born to be a great actor star. And I feel bad that we have not done justice to his talent. During his prime, I wish he had done films like Brando, Pacino, De Niro. He could have done effortlessly. We didn't offer him those kind of roles and we lost an opportunity, but I'm so glad that he caught up after he's 60 with so many different roles, so brilliantly portrayed. And he's someone any day, if I'm flipping channels and I see Amit Sir's film, I stop. That's the kind of magnetism that he has for me.
Right. Do you have any on-set superstitions?
No.
Did you ever face any problems while shooting any film because of the ego issues between stars?
Never, thankfully.
All right. So I think that was a fascinating rapid fire. Nivedita has a tough task ahead of her.
Wait,
so, if we would have met you in real life, we would have been having a prize or something like that. But we would still want you to compete.
Sir's going to choreo this one to me.
What?
But I think Sir has done very well. Sir has done very well. So you have
maybe I just passed. You're going to ace.
No. I'm fascinated with whatever you've said, sir. If you decide to have a Swayamvar, which 3 celebs must participate in it?
So who three do I see participating?
Yes.
Doesn't have to be an actor, right?
Nivedita, who would you want to be paraded in front of you?
Come on. To choose we've had conversations about this. Come on. Don't do this to me. I am too, because I'm trying to think of one. Okay. I think I'm not going to give names because I don't know them personally, but I think 3 people who I can see definitely want to see in that bunch. Hopefully I have a bunch to choose from. Is someone who's ambitious, someone who's hardworking, and someone who has a good sense of humor.
Actually, ideally we needed some names, but it's okay.
Names? And do they have to be actors?
It can be celebrities. It can be from abroad as well, if you want to play it safe.
Not that I know too many of, but I think I would love to have Keanu Reeves. No, 2 others who I like are married already, so let's move on.
If you were to choose any one between Tamil film and Telugu film, what would be that one reason for you to choose Telugu and give up on Tamil?
If I have probably 150 films lined up with kick-ass stories, then.
If you are stuck in an elevator with S.S. Rajamouli for 30 seconds, how will you convince him to cast you in his next film?
I will just play all my previous films to him and I'll ask him, is any of this matching? Can you consider this as a portfolio for any of the films, characters you've written, sir? And I'm going to leave it to him. I want my work to convince him to cast me.
You have 30 seconds.
This is cool.
30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. I'll cut a trailer of 10 seconds each of all my good performances, which I think are good enough. Yeah. Maybe.
Who was your first celebrity crush?
I've never had a celebrity crush.
You're hot or you're cute? Which compliment do you like?
Sir, do you want to answer this?
Like it sounds like an answer by Nityananda, you know?
Oh, God.
Cute or caught? You should say.
Okay, sorry. I think suddenly I sound like a thermometer. No, this is a difficult one. It depends on the situation, I think.
I think I prefer hot because, you know, cute is very irritating. So let's go with a nice, genuine.
Yeah, hot.
Who's that one director on your wish list for a Bollywood film?
Anurag Kashyap.
All right, that's interesting. What is it that Bollywood has and Telugu and the South cinemas, they don't?
I think Bollywood has a lot of PR teams, which I think we are fewer in number in the South.
That's so Apurva.
Which celebrity immediately comes to your mind when I say the following? Dream co-star.
Ranveer Singh.
Forever crush.
Forever crush. Can I name one character though?
Yes,
Deepika and Piku.
Deepika and Piku.
Because she was also an architect and she was handling everything at home with a father who was very needy. I related to that on a different level, yeah.
Cuteness overloaded.
I think just by the persona, it would have to be Alia.
Have you ever hit back at a troll?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever proposed someone and got rejected?
No, I have not.
Like you've not proposed or?
No, I have not. I have not proposed. Neither have I been rejected because I have not proposed yet.
Oh God, this is cool. I'm enjoying it.
Okay, and have you ever been proposed by a co-star?
No. I find this so funny. I'm so sorry. Nobody has proposed.
Yes.
Like a co-star.
Sorry.
This seems
why are you laughing so much? May I know? I think I already know, but... no, Farid. I have not been proposed by any co-star and I don't think I will also.
Right. But you know, I think ideally Sir wins hands down.
Come on, what are you talking about?
Oh, that's unfair.
But yeah, that is unfair.
I would give Nivi the trophy because...
No, I think it was a little more entertaining, but
you know what?
No, it's not.
You should ask me these questions. It would have been more funny. And ask her my questions.
Yeah, that is true.
That would have been really
okay.
Then I would have been like the saddest loser of all time. Yeah.
No, but if Sir wins the rapper,
imagine, I'm trying to figure out who would have proposed to me during a shoot.
That would have hands down with the best rapid fire of all time.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Sir, if you had a Swayamvar, who would you pick?
Yeah, I would have Scarlett Johansson. I would have Kate Winslet. Who's the lady in Silver Linings Playbook?
Jennifer Lawrence.
Yes. Anyway, they all will reject me. I just look at the parade.
No, I think all of them are again married. That's why I didn't want to.
It doesn't matter to me. I'm just.
Okay, hypothetical.
So that is why he wins. You know, that is why he wins.
Okay. You know what? I think I need to take part in a lot more rapid fire to understand the pulse of these.
Oh, God.
Of these questions.
No, it's fine. It's fine.